Ano ibig sabihin when you get butterflies in your stomach? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. When one gets or has butterflies in their stomach, na sana ay hindi naman kasing laki o kasing tigas nito, ang ibig sabihin niya is that someone is feeling anxious or nervous about something. Kung sumali kayo sa mga competitions nung bata pa kayo or naghahanda ka or naghihintay sa isang importanteng event like maybe a job interview, you probably already felt yung flutter ba? Yung feeling ba na may something wrong going on with your tummy dahil nga kinakabahan ka. So imagine having butterflies in your stomach na lumilipad or umiikot-ikot doon. Yun yung similar feeling kumbaga. May mas maikling version din ito which is to just get or have the butterflies. At kung gusto natin yan gamitin in a sentence, you could say something like, people get surprised whenever I tell them that I still get the butterflies when I have to speak in public. Kayo, kinakabahan din ba kayo kung kailangan nyo magsalita in public? That's today's idiom, and if you want more, we have full video lessons on YouTube at dito rin sa playlist dito. Don't forget to follow me for more.